He's dancehall's cha-cha boy. Corporate Jamaica's favorite DJ with another hit on his hands.
Dancer turned DJ racks up yet another chart topper.
Hey, ER, see the flare king, yeah. It's a nice sunny.
He's come a long way. Ding Dong, the vocalist, expanding on a natural gift for movement. The dancing and DJing, parallel points converging in a career that's now made him the safe bet dancehall act for corporate Jamaica.
Me have my chance, so me buy anything. The good thing about me being within the corporate sector is that I'm doing it from the ghetto. Me a Japan, huh? Where?
He may not be edgy like Massacre and Rygin King, but the current poster boy for feel-good dancehall, holding his lane and loving it. You don't get the same dancehall ratings as Massacre or Rygin King or...
No, because they sing different things. Everybody will get ratings different. You understand? But at the end of the day, it's who can take
the Cartels and the Rygin Kings and the Massacres more identified with the heart and soul of dancehall than Ding Dong and the dancers?
No, I don't say that. I don't think so still. Because me and the core dancers, see me, we still represent the core dancehall. If you take out dancers or if you take out the real vibes people out of dancehall, what you gonna have? You can't have nothing. Because dancers are the one that really build dancehall. Not the person with the underneath the edge or this and beat the fence. The dancers them have play a major part in the dancers. So take we out tight now. So
we a cha-cha boy, be a cha-cha needs to go away.
Easygoing but determined, Ding Dong now aligned with Ramesh, better known as the manager of dancehall hottie Shensia.
Ramesh marketing skills and marketing strategies one of the best I come across.
Meaning what?
In terms of promotion. In terms of promotion, we have all the facilities we need.
Your face is on his buses.
Yes, it's promotion, it's marketing strategy, is branding.
And he does your videos?
Yes, we start doing the videos now because Ramesh is very smart, you know. So Ramesh buy up all the equipment, them and we trust in our team for do a thing. We joined with Solid Agency because of the links and the connection in the world. You have to smarten this business, you know. You cannot be egoistic, or you cannot be a pound for today and not thinking about tomorrow.
Turning dance moves into dancehall hits, traceable back to Bogle and Elephant Man. But Ding Dong the man, no.
I could have sing about poverty, I could have sing about all type of things. I want to be the person where you want to turn to when you're having a downtime, or when you want to lift your spirits, or when you just want to enjoy yourself. And if that attracts corporate brands to want to work with me, that's fine. I carry myself right, I have sense, and I know what to do from what not to do. Soul out. When you're talking about soul out to who? I don't understand the soul out to who? To myself, to my fellow peers, to who? I'm not soul out to nobody at all. Me more ghetto and more raw and more ranchy than most of these people who consider themselves not sold out. I am not sold out anything. I am a smart person.
Be a cha-cha boy, be a cha-cha needs to go away. Be a cha-cha boy.
Ding Dong dancehall's cha-cha boy, but always it seems having to prove himself with each new hit.
I have traveled and worked with artists before that have probably the hotter song than me at the time. And when promoter said I must perform after this artist, I was like, no, I will perform before him, because by right him have the hotter song now. It might not have as much song in my catalog as Ding Dong, but give the respect where the respect is due. Him have the artist song now. So I was like, no. Till the promoter said, no, you have to perform now because we know how the crowd are we sell a ticket then. So now, in this late stage now, it's vice versa where I have the artist songs then within the circuit, and then you have some artists now, artists just feel like, yo, I not perform before Ding, you mad? You get to me I say? But with me, I swear to you, Anthony, anytime them put me on for perform, it's the same thing me I go do, you know. You just make sure, say, if you come on after me, you go hold up because you know me I go bring out there to the table. And then sometimes when I go out there and want to start performing and I get into my own, they go and cut my time. Yo, this next artist I said I'm ready for perform. So we get it. We get it and we see it out there and we experience it. But Ding is not a crier where me I go come on talk about it or whatever. We just say, all right, that was one of the show, then we can move to the next one. And the day, 2 more songs, and nobody can dispute it. That is my thing. There's 2 more songs. So if I have 10 now, I still say 2 more songs.
Everywhere ding dong and ravers go play smash up in
Lebe Lebe an Afrobeat track, and one of the few times he stumbled, despite racking up millions of views. His lyric dropped on an unauthorized rhythm.
Producer link. Johnny Wonders and tell him to take down that exactly and put it like right now and put on this big flag on Johnny.
And the
Wonders.
lesson in all of that is?
Should get permission first. I get a written permission that authority to use the rhythm itself.
The son of a community don not about to repeat his father's mistakes, especially right now when he seems to be on the right path.
I now have to live my life to please nobody. Dancehall is dance all, not gun all, not under girl all, not disrespect a person at all. It's dance all. It doesn't have to be so where people take it as about dance, it have to be about gun, it have to be about shooting, it have to be about under girl. So how Ding Dong have so much hit songs?
Me love the way me look, me love me pretty black skin.
And no controversy to speak about.
I guarantee you, if Spice just sing that song and put it out, it wouldn't get the feedback it have now. But because she come with the whole controversy thing behind it, everybody feed into it. That is just society. You understand? I just choose not to do it. I can do it. But I choose not to do it. People have to make money in their own way, because at the end of the day, me singing about certain things now put food on my table, it not help me take care of my family.
Well, with your image, controversy just wouldn't work though.
Probably would have worked. Controversy work for everybody, man. In terms of publicity, not in terms of income.
Chacha boy, be a chacha ni sigwa we. Chacha boy, be a chacha ni sigwa we.
Listen out for a collab with Ramesh Entertainment stablemate TJ. Oh, and some other news of a more personal nature.
I don't pay attention to what's going on out there in the world. Because guess what got me now? I want to make sure at first, any one of them fly come to Jamaica, any one of them international people are out there people come to Jamaica, them have to know who name Ding Dong.
And according to a certain podcast, the wedding bells are about to ring.
Yeah, in
When?
the future. Not the future. People
Nothing
will hear about
soon?
it. People will hear about it. In the
Next
future.
year or this year?
In the future. Future can be tomorrow, you know.